Cryptojacking is malicious cryptomining and the covert use of network systems and/or computer resources to mine cryptocurrency without detection. Cryptojacking is initiated by malware or through embedded website code. With the popularity and value of cryptocurrencies on the rise, more cybercriminals are using ransomware-like tactics and poison websites to get employees' computers to mine cryptocurrencies. It's been determined that a large majority of these kinds of attacks will present themselves through adware and phishing attempts. Detecting it can be difficult, especially if only a few systems are compromised. The most effective methods currently are to install an ad blocking or anti-cryptomining extension on web browsers. Cryptojacking scripts are also sometimes delivered through web ads, so installing an ad blocker can be effective as well. There are also browser extensions which are designed to detect and block cryptomining scripts. Also, many of the endpoint protection/antivirus software companies have added crypto miner detection to their antivirus products. But remember, none of the current best practices are 100% foolproof, so be sure to update software, company policies, and employee training so they are better able to identify cryptojacking attempts and respond accordingly.